Hey guys, if you are a lover of spicy vegetarian recipes, then you must try making this insanely delicious Kadai Paneer. So begin by preparing the Kadai Masala, for which, in a pan or kadai, dry roast the whole spices for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat until fragrant. Grind the roasted spices to a fine powder just like so. In the same pan or kadai, add in some vegetable oil and fry the cut paneer pieces. Make sure to season the paneer on both sides with some salt and chili powder. Fry the paneer until it develops a golden brown color and then transfer it into a plate. In the same kadai or pan, add in about 2 tablespoons of ghee or unsalted butter. Next, add in chopped shallot and saute this for about 3 to 4 minutes until it develops a golden brown color. Add in the ginger garlic paste, followed by sliced green chilies and saute it for another minute or two. Now add in a tablespoon of tomato paste. This is an optional ingredient, so just in case you can't find it in your local grocery store, feel free to skip this step. Next, add in about 2 cups of tomato puree and combine this mixture and cook it covered for about 6 minutes or until the oil separates out. Just like so. Next, add in all the dry ingredients, which includes the Garam Masala, red chilli powder, followed by about 3 to 4 teaspoons of Kadai Masala that you prepared earlier. If you like your curry spicy, go ahead and add in the whole thing. Combine everything and cook this covered for another 3 minutes. Next, add in about half a cup of water and cook this mixture covered for about 5 to 8 minutes on medium heat or until you see the oil separating out just like so. Now carefully add in the fried paneer pieces. Followed by some salt and sugar to balance the overall flavor. Next, add in chopped bell pepper or capsicum, followed by Kasuri, Methi or fenugreek leaves, and combine this mixture. Now add in about half of the chopped cilantro leaves and ginger julienne. Once again, cover and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. At this stage, your Kadai Paneer is absolutely ready. However, to make it taste a little luxurious, add in some cream or milk. Carefully combine this mixture. And finally, add in the remaining cilantro leaves. That's it. You can serve this along with some naan, roti, or enjoy it along with some turmeric rice. I hope you like the recipe.